Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a mermaid theme bottle art. To do this bottle art, you will require a liquor bottle. You need to thoroughly wash it and remove the labels either by scrubbing it with a detergent and water or simply soak it in water for some time and then wash it off. Apply a thick coat of white texture paint. If white texture paint is not available, then white acrylic paint will also do good. I'm using sponge dabbing method to apply different gradient of blue colors on the surface and allow it to dry for around one whole day. Make sure that you don't dilute your paint too much. Now I have taken the cutout images of both mermaid and merman. So if you're not good at drawing, you can also find these images in the internet. Take a printout and cut the images. Using a Fevicol, stick it on the surface. First find the position where you actually want to place the images and then apply and stick it on the surface. Repeat the same step for merman as well. To give it an embossed effect, I'm using Fevicryl molded clay. It's a air hardening clay. So it comes in a packet of 2, including 1 resin and a hardener. You have to take equal proportion of both and gently knead it in between your fingers and roll it between your palms. Blend it till you get a smooth texture, till it get properly mixed. It's very sticky, so I'm using talcum powder to remove the stickiness. Roll it between your fingers and then decide where you want to give an embossed effect. Here I'm not using any clay sculpting tools. Instead, I'm using innovative ways of doing it with the things available in home itself. So here I'm using a pen to flatten the dough. I'm going to make the tail part using this clay. Just removing the excess part using a scissor and giving a fine detailing with the help of my fingers. I'm going to stick it with the help of Fevicol. I'm going to make the tail part using this clay. Just removing the excess part using a scissor and giving a fine detailing with the help of my fingers. If the surface of the clay is not even, you can even it by brushing off with some water. Don't exceed the amount of water. The amount of water should be enough. Repeat the same step for the fluke part also. I'm using forceps to give fine detailing to the fluke part. I'm also using an empty refill to give the scale part. Repeat the same process for the merman also and allow it to dry. It will take around 2 hours to dry completely. Now if you have already available shells and stars at your home, then you can use that, but since I'm not having that, I have decided to make it by my own. So let's make some stars and shells. So our shell is ready. I have used around 100 grams of clay to complete this artwork, and I think it's more than sufficient to do this. So now this is completely dried. Now I'm going to stick it one by one on the surface. Once you stick everything, allow it to dry. Once it gets completely dry, then paint it according to your wish, and also make sure that you don't dilute your paint too much. You can also use glass liners to further get the 3D effect. To give it a finer finishing look, I have covered the mouth portion with the help of a DIY paper rope. And let's see the final product. Our glass bottle is ready. I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, tell your feedbacks in the comment section below, and also share it with your friends and family members. Hit the bell icon to never miss any important notifications and updates from my side. Thanks for watching.